If you've ever wanted to create an online business where you can make monthly recurring revenue, but you didn't want to go out and start your own software company or start your own business where you have to manage clients, and you didn't really want to start from scratch, you wanted to start with a proven system, then this video is for you. My name is Rayo Daniel, and I have been an affiliate for the HighLevel software program for 2 to 3 years now. Now, I want to give you at least an opportunity to understand the HighLevel software platform and how their affiliate program works. It's pretty awesome. All you have to do is literally recommend the HighLevel software platform to people. And when they sign up, HighLevel pays you 40% of their monthly commissions. Now, this isn't just a one-time deal, by the way. Whenever somebody signs up, as long as that particular customer keeps using the software, HighLevel continues to pay you month after month. It's cumulative, meaning if you get one customer this month, then one customer the next month, another customer the third month, now you have 3 customers that HighLevel are paying you for with their affiliate program. That's pretty awesome. And there's very few people out there that actually do this in the marketplace today. Now I realize that there are a lot of other affiliate programs that might be out there and a lot of get-rich-quick schemes online. That's not what this is. You are actually going to have to do work. But the great news about it is HighLevel's affiliate program comes with a ton of training and benefits. So if you're looking to start a side gig, or if you're just looking to start creating a business where you can start revving up your monthly income from maybe $100 to $500 to $1,000 to $5,000 a month, then this right here is a perfect opportunity for you to do. Now, the HighLevel affiliate program comes with a lot of benefits. So I'm going to switch over to my computer where I have more of a graphic that can help you understand the affiliate program just a little bit better. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so this right here is just a bunch of stuff that I compiled to help you understand how the HighLevel affiliate program works. Now, again, I told you, you earn 40% of any of the software pricing plans that people sign up for. Now, I want to let you know HighLevel has 3 plans, $97, $297, and $497. Now with this, each one of those you get 40% and you get that every single month. HighLevel has already paid out, I believe it's over $10 million so far this year in affiliate commission, and they're loving it. They have a great program. They have a lot of training, which I'm going to hop into right now. Let me blow this up a little bit so you can see. So right now, some of the things that you get, first of all, if you've ever done affiliate marketing before, you've never experienced affiliate marketing like how the HighLevel software platform does it, how HighLevel the company does their affiliate. They have an entire team of people, literally, I wouldn't say more than 100, but there's a lot of people out there inside of their affiliate program that can help you, get you trained, to help you understand what to do. They give you resources to get started, and all of it can be just signed up for absolutely for free. That's one thing I love about this. You can start this HighLevel software affiliate program for free, hop on the trainings, and even just see if it's right for you. Now, if you've never heard of affiliate marketing or how that works, what I want to do is I want to offer you in the link below in the video description, you're going to see an affiliate training course that I've actually built. It's free. I'm not trying to sell you anything. You could probably go through it in somewhere between 40 minutes to an hour. So right now it just goes over the affiliate, what being an affiliate marketer is, how the program works, and things like that. So I just want to offer that up to you as an additional resource if this particular video doesn't answer or all of your questions. So if you've ever done affiliate marketing, again, some people just say, okay, here's a bunch of stuff, what they call resources. It could be emails and graphics and images and videos of their products, and say, okay, go out there and just start finding me customers. Start using this stuff and go do it. HighLevel definitely provides you resources, but they actually put manpower behind their affiliates. They actually want you to succeed. So right now, what do you get for free? Once you sign up, you actually get a weekly live Zoom call. It's typically on Tuesdays, and they do 2 times. I believe it's 10 p.m. or 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. So you could hop on a call. It typically lasts 45 minutes to an hour, where they're going to go over how some of the other higher level affiliates that have been in the program for several years, how they have succeeded, what they're doing to succeed, what are some of the new cool things that you could do to actually bring in customers to HighLevel so you can start getting paid. The next thing is you're going to get assigned your own personal affiliate manager. Now, what is an affiliate manager? This is a person whose job is to make sure, so they do that to the group, but your affiliate manager is just for you. Your affiliate manager is there to help you answer questions, to get started, to help point you in the right direction, and to be able to answer questions and provide any resources that you may need. So no other affiliate program that I know of offers you this level of in-depth training for free. They're not asking anything of you. So again, it's free to join, and all of this is free. Now, another great thing is they actually have a community where you can log in, and all the other affiliates are part of this community. They log in. This is where they post events that are happening, specials, things like that. So all the promotions that they're coming up with on a monthly basis, they put those promotions in the community for you to be able to utilize as a resource to help you as an affiliate to get more and more people signed up. So that right there is what you get from HighLevel in a nutshell. This is unlike any other affiliate program that you've ever seen, because some affiliate programs that you've seen, like with Amazon or stuff like that, those people just get paid once. They have a link, they sell a camera, they sell a backpack, they sell something on Amazon. They get paid once for that customer, and that's it. That's not how the affiliate program here with HighLevel works. So here, again, whenever you actually get somebody signed up, as long as they keep using the software, HighLevel continues to pay you 40% of those pricings I told you about earlier, which basically equates to about $38, $119, or $198. That's your cut of those three plans. And you get paid that every single time. The more customers you get, the more people you could refer and just simply tell people about HighLevel. Now, a lot of questions that people have for me is, how do I find these people? What kind of people am I looking for? There's a whole course that I show you. Here's the people that will be using HighLevel. Here's where you can find them, and all the things that you need to go out and start posting and attracting those particular people. The course is free. I've been, again, an affiliate. I make passively 6 figures a year using this particular program. And right now, my job that I'm thinking of right now is just, I want to help people. I want to help you. If you're looking to start a side gig, I was like you. I wanted to start a side gig, but everybody that I turned to wanted to sell me something. They wanted to sell me a course. They wanted to sell me this, or I had to buy this or something like that. Nobody just said, hey, point you in the right direction to say, here's a great opportunity. Go check it out. Now, ultimately, if you do sit back and sign up to be an affiliate, most affiliates do actually sign up for HighLevel at an account level. So they actually do sign up because at some point you're going to need to have a back-end system to keep track of all your customers and some of your automations and stuff like that. Again, it's free to join to get started. But as you start getting a few people signed up here, you do really want a system put in place. And again, it's not a quick process. This process could take you weeks or months. But once you get the system put in place, that's the key. Once you get your affiliate system put in place about attracting people, you're going to start seeing sign up and sign up. So again, that right there is what I want to sit back and just simply let you know. This is a great program. Definitely go check it out. Leave me a comment if you have any particular questions. If you've learned anything, smash that like button, because I am looking to grow my YouTube channel. I always appreciate you being here. And again, check out the free course. I don't sell you anything. I'm not here to sell you anything. Hopefully, if you're looking to sign up for HighLevel to begin this particular process, then by all means, please use my link. I do get credit for that as an affiliate, but my job as an affiliate is to help you build your business. Thanks so much and have a great day.